Hello guys, what's up? It's Cuthbert the programmer here. Today I'm going to show you how you can send data from a CSV file into the database. Remember to subscribe. Yes. Now as you can see, I have a lot of data, like a lot of items in my file. It's cases.csv. All these items I need to put them in my database, so it can be cumbersome, like entering one item after another, like it can take a lot of time. So I'm going to show you a trick where you can send the whole file into the CSV and the computer will do it for you. Before we start, let me first create my database. Let me create the database. I'm using a Postgres database at Heroku. You can do this in any type of a database you're using. So we'll just start, create table, we'll call it cases. You should have an ID. It should be a serial. What happened? Serial be a primary key. What's there in my CSV? I have case number, I have interviewer, I have suspect, I have year. So I need to add all these as columns. Case number, and just say virtual, not now, doesn't have to be empty. We have interview, also it should be virtual, not now, just you can put in data types. I'm just putting mine like that. We have also suspect, and we have year. It can be okay. It's supposed to be R. I guess I'm done with my database and I can execute it. Just say now we have cases. So let's go and now create a function to send the data into the database. I'm going to be using Flask to create the app which I'm going to make for sending the data into the database. So I hope so you're familiar with Flask. I'll just come here, create import, maybe like I'm importing stuff, .py. I'll be using Python. Now let's start coding our app which is going to send our CSV file into the database which we just made. First we have to start and say import CSV. Now the part is where we're going to see the analysis part. Or where, in short, we are just SQL alchemy. Supposed to be here. In short, what we are doing here, we just want to put the URL of a database, the one which we have just created, where it is located, so that the app knows the location of the database we are sending the data to. So to do this, say engine, go to create, engine, now I'll go to get the URL of the database we are using. It's just this one. I'm using a Postgres database at Heroku. You can use any database of your choice. As me, I'm using this one. Now that we have put the URL of our database, we can continue and say db script session, just say session maker, Pine engine. Why is it showing like this? Then write it OK. Oh, here it's not okay. It's supposed to be session maker. Yeah, now we are set. It's supposed to be equal engine. Now we can create the app which send data to a CSV file. First, to create a function, supposed to be, we have to open our file before we send the data. Now whatever its cases.csv, reader, support B1F. Now we have to tell what it's supposed to do. We create just a for loop. So say for case number, if we go to a CSV, you can see of case number, interviewer, suspect, NDA. So we are telling, after opening the file, we are just telling this function that loop through the case number, interviewer, suspect, NDA. Case number interviewer, aspect is also here. In window, in window, supposed to be like this. So now we insert the information we want from the CS Fever into the database by saying db.sql. We use SQL command insert into cases our table which we just made in our database. Case number, interviewer, V is our column in our database. Aspect, and we have here when values, which are just case. We have also suspect, and we have yeah. So you're familiar with SQL syntax. That's what we are using now. So this is case number. As case number. Interviewer and interview. Suspect and suspect. We have here now we can close it. By just saying like this. So this one is supposed to be inside here, like this, yeah. Now we have written this command to put the data into a table in the database. Now we have to write a way where we can see when the information is put into the database, we know that information is entering. Because just leaving like this, it can be entering and also be seeing nothing. So we have to see that the information we have put in the database is entering. To do this, we're just going to say print the added in case. You can just separate it a little bit. Case terms that has a case number. So this is good for the user to see, like, to see what's happening or that is being entered into the database. Let's end year 8 occurred. Year let's just this back like this. So I can finish up by just saying db.commit to save the things in our database. Let's put our app in debug mode and just saying if name main now we are done. We can even run it and see if it works. Now we can run our app and see if it works. Let's connect it to the internet. Now you've seen it's working. As you can see, it's adding the information into the database, and it's also informing us added a case that has a case number, interviewer, suspect, and everything. So this is the simplest way you can add information into your database. You don't have to go adding everything one by one. The computer will do it for you. So it's going to take maybe some minutes because the network is a little bit slow. But if you have fast network, it can be done within seconds. And it's done. As you can see, it has added the books. Just to verify, let's go and check our database whether it has this information. We go to cases and see. You have seen now it has a case number, interview, suspect, NDA. So this is how we can add information from CS file into the database within seconds. And I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and please remember to subscribe.